So, welcome back to the second lecture of geometric distribution. In the last class, we learned some formulas of geometric distribution. Number one was probability of x equal to r. That's equal to q to the power r minus 1 times p. Number two, probability of x is less than equal r. So, what's the formula? 1 minus q to the power r. Number three, the probability of x is more than r. What's the formula? Q to the power r. And number four was the expected mean. Probability of expected mean Ex equals to 1 over P. So these are the four formulas that will be necessary for our geometric distribution calculation. Okay, question number 3. In a particular country, 18% of the adults wear contact lenses. So adults are randomly selected and interviewed one at a time. So they are interviewed one at a time. Find the probability that the first adult who wears contact lenses are. So now, from this question, what do you think? Is it a math of geometric distribution or binary distribution? It says that find the probability that the first adult who wears contact lenses. That means it's geometric distribution. Clear? So it's a geometry because we are trying to find the first success. Clear? One of the first 15 interviewed. One of the first 15 interviewed. That means what? He will be interviewed out of 15 people. Clear? One of the 15 people. So now we are trying to find the first adult who wear contact lenses. And it is one of the first 15 interviewed. That means what? Either the first adult, like suppose I took a person and he was wearing the contact lens. Or let's say, suppose I took 2 person. That means the first person didn't wear the contact lens. The second person wear the contact lens. Clear? If x is 3, what does it mean? It means the first 2 person didn't wear contact lenses. Third person wear the contact lenses. Clear? Up to 15. Clear? So that means we are trying to find the probability of x is less than equal 15. So what will be the formula? 1 minus q to the power 15. Clear? So what is the probability of wearing contact lenses? That is 0.18. What is the probability of not wearing contact lenses? That is 0.82, na? 0.82. So now just apply the formula 1 minus 0.82 whole to the power 15. So 0.949, yes. Number B, it says not one of the first 9 interviewed. What does it mean? Not one of the first 9 interviewed. First of all, it's the math of geometry distribution. It says not one of the first 9 interviewed. What does it mean? That means it will be after 9. That means it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Clear? This is the math of geometry distribution. Clear? So it says not one of the first 9 interviewed. That means x is more than 9. So if x is more than 9, the answer will be q to the power 9. So that is 0.82 whole to the power 9. So 0.168. Next, question number 4. A coin is biased such that the probability of obtaining heads with each toss is equal to 5 over 11. So probability of obtaining head is 5 over 11. So not obtaining head will be 6 over 11. So the coin is tossed until the first head is obtained. So what type of math is this? Is it geometric? So this is geometric. Find the probability. So until the first head, that means which one is the success here? So getting the first head. So getting head is the success. That means P is what? 5 over 11. What will be the value of Q? 6 over 11. Now find the probability that the coin is tossed at least 6 times. So number A, at least 6 times. X is more than equal 6. We learned the probability of at least. But in that case, there was no equal sign. And do you remember we shared an example in the last class. So x is more than or equal 6. We can't apply the formula now. So I can write x is more than or equal to 6 means what? 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. So can I write x is more than 5? Yes. That is also 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? So now we know, just we can directly apply the formula. So x is more than 5, that is q to the power 5. So q is 6 by 11 to the power 5. That is 0.0483. Number B, fewer than 8 times, less than 8 times. So probability of x is less than 8 times. What does it mean? It means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in the case of less than, we use less than equal to. Clear? As it says that 8, 7, less than 8, that means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I can also write x is less than equal 7. That also means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear? So what will be the formula? 1 minus q to the power 5. 1 minus q to the power 7. 1 minus q to the power 7. So it's 1 minus q is 6 by 11 to the power 7. So 0.986. Done. These maths are very simple, isn't it? Next. Given that x follows geometric progression and the probability of success is p, given that, and also given that probability of x is less than equal 3. Yes, Paulo. X is less than 8. So we have some formulas. For the less than, we use a equal sign. So x is less than 8. What does it mean? It means 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So if we just directly use x is less than 8, we can't use this formula. Clear? So what we can write? X is less than equal to 7. Clear? Okay. So given that x follows geometric distribution and the probability of p less than equal to 3 is 891 divided by 1331. So x is less than equal to 3. So we can apply a formula here. So what we can write? 1 minus q cube, isn't it? And that's equal to 891 divided by 1331. So find the value of q cube. 1 minus 891 divided by 1331. That's equal to 40 over 121. So find the cube root of this answer. 0.691. So 0.691. So what would the value of p? 1 minus answer. 0.309. Clear? Number A. Now we can easily find out the answer. X is more than 3. We have a direct formula of greater than sign, isn't it? Clear? So that is q cube. So it's 40 over 121. Number B. Probability of x which is more than 1 and less than equal to 3. So what values of x it will take? 2 and 3. So x equal to 2, x equal to 3. X equal to 2 means what? There were 2 throws. There were 2 cases. In the first trial, there was a failure, and the second trial, there was success. Clear? So it will be q into p plus x equal to 3. That means there were 3 trials. For the first 2 trials, it was failure. Third trial was success. So q squared times p. Just substitute the value. Q is 0.691 times P is 0.309 plus 0.691 square times 0.309. So 0.361. Is it clear, Baba? Simple. Clear? Next. I think you can also do this math. The probability of success is given. What is the probability of success here? 0.32. What about the probability of failure? 1 minus 0.32, isn't it? Simple. So the maths are very easy. Okay. The probability that, question number 7, the probability that Mike will be shown a yellow card in any football match that he plays is 1 over 12. That means showing the yellow card in any football match, the probability of that is 1 by 12. Find the probability that Mike is next shown a yellow card. He will be shown next shown a yellow card will be in the third match. That means on the first two matches, there was no yellow card. On the third match, it was a yellow card. So what type of math it is? Geometry. Clear? Have you got that? Geometry. So what is the probability of success? Showing a yellow card. Showing a yellow card. That is 1 by 12. So what will be the probability of failure? 11 by 12. So number A, it says that probability of x equals to 3. That means q square times p. Follow? এখানে question কি বলছে? Find the probability that the Mike is next shown a yellow card. তার মানে next yellow card will be shown in the third match. In the third match, he will be shown a yellow card. That means for the first two matches, there was no yellow card. It says that Mike is next shown a yellow card in the third match. In the third match, that means for the first two matches, there was no yellow card. Third match, it was yellow card. The next yellow card was on the third match. The next yellow card was on the third match. That means on the third match, he played. Clear? That means for the first two matches, there was no yellow card. For the next first two match. Clear? Okay. Now, so you can easily find out the answer. So 11 by 12. Why is your late? So the answer is 0.0700. It's up to you, সমস্যা নাই. Before the fourth match he plays, before the fourth match, that means what? Before the fourth match, that means less than equal to less than 4. So probability of x is less than 4. So in the less than maths, we use an equal sign. So I can write x is less than equal 3. So 1 minus q cube. So 1 minus 11 by 12 whole cube. So the answer is 0.2297. That means 0.230. Now ready. Question number 8. Ramesh throws an ordinary six-sided die, fair six-sided die. Find the probability that he obtains a 4 for the first time on his 8th throw. So which distribution is following? Geometry, because we are trying to obtain a 4 for the first time on the 8th throw. Right? So which one is the probability of success? Obtaining a 4. Right? So the probability of success is obtaining a 4. So P is mainly probability of success is obtaining a 4. So what is the probability of obtaining a 4? 1 by 6. Clear? 1 by 6. Next. So the question says he will obtain the 4 for the first time on his 8th throw. So that's x equals to 8. So not obtaining 4 is 5 over 6. So x equal to 8 means what? It will be q to the power 7 times p. So q is 5 by 6 whole to the power 7 times 1 by 6. So 0.0465. So number B. Find the probability that it takes no more than 5 throws to obtain a 4. Not more than 5. Not more than 5. That means x will be less than equal 5. Not more than, same thing. So not more than 5 means what? X will be less than equal to 5, isn't it? So it will be 1 minus q to the power 5. So 1 minus q is 5 by 6 to the power 5. So it's basically 0.598. Now number 6. Ramesh now repeatedly throws two ordinary six-sided die at the same time. Each time he adds the two numbers that he obtains. Okay. For the 10 randomly chosen throws. Okay, what happened here? For the 10 randomly chosen throws, what does it mean? It means the number is, now the trial is fixed. The trial is fixed now. Clear? The trial is fixed now. So now you're calculating every probability under this 10 randomly throws. So when the trial is being fixed, that means that distribution follows binomial. Clear? Okay, let's read. For the 10 randomly chosen throws of the two dice, find the probability that Ramesh obtains a total of less than 4 on at least 3 throws. So first of all, okay, what is the probability of success here? Less than 4. So if there are two dices given, it's better to draw a table of two dices. Just draw it and add the numbers. It will be easier. It's okay. If you don't want to, it's okay. But if you want, it's okay. It says that less than 4, isn't it? That means either it will be 2 or 3. Less than 4 means what? Either it will be 2 or 3. So 2 or 3. So here the probability of success is sum is less than 4. That means either the sum will be 2 or the sum will be 3. Clear? So sum is 2. That means what? 1, 1. Sum is 3. What does it mean? Either it will be 1, 2 or 2, 1. Isn't it? Clear? So 1, 1 means 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. 1, 2 is also 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. Plus 2, 1 is also 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So it's 3 by 36. Clear? So it says less than 4. Clear? So probability of sum is less than 4 means 3 by 36. So what about the probability of not less than 4? That is 33 by 36. Is it okay, Baba? Now the question says for 10 randomly chosen throws, that means n equal to 10. The trials has been fixed now. Find the probability that Ramesh obtains a total of less than 4. That means he obtains the success on at least 3 throws. On at least 3 throws. Clear? At least 3 throws. He obtains the success on at least 3 throws. What does it mean? At least 3 throws. That means x is more than equal to 3. Clear? Out of how many throws? 10 throws. That means what? So if I use the table of x, so it will be either 3, 4, 5, 6, ... up to 10. That means we have to find the probability of this much. So what values of x are missing here? 1, 2, and 3. It is 0, 1, 2. So these are missing. Clear? So now what you're going to do, we're going to take the whole probability 1 and subtract these 3 numbers, isn't it? Clear, Baba? Clear? So it will be 1 minus probability of either 0, 1, or 2. So 1 minus x equal to 0. That means out of 10 throws, there was 0 success. So 10C 0. Clear? So there are 0 success, and how many failures were there? 10. Clear, Baba? So 0 success. So what's the probability of success? 3 by 36. What is the probability of not success or failure? 33 by 36. Clear? Then x equal to 1. What does it mean? Out of 10 throws, there was 1 success and there was 9 failures. Clear, Baba? So 3 by 36, 33 by 36. X equal to 2. What does it mean? Out of 10 throw, there were 2 success, 8 failures. 3 by 36, 33 by 36. Clear? So now just subtract the values. 1 minus. Geo, have you got that? Okay. Answer. 3 by 36 times 33 by 36 to the power 9 plus 10C2 3 by 36 whole square times 33 by 36. Huh? First of all, this is not a geometry distribution, it's a binomial. We haven't learned any shortcut in binomial except the calculator hack. So Geo, what's the answer?
0.453.
Louder.
0.453.
0.453. Is it 0.453? 0.453? How come? I should use my white calculator. Spit. What's the answer? করো দেখছো কত মানে আমরা কেমন at least use this calculator. Try to find the binomial cumulative distribution up to 3. Just find out the answer up to 3. Then subtract from 1. Up to 2, sorry, up to 2. And subtract from 1. 7 binomial CD variable. X is up to 2. Number of tiles is 10. Probability of success is 3 by 36. 0.95555 0.95516. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna subtract from 1. So 0.0445. So and the answer is 0.0445. Yes, Baba. CD. Because you are trying to find the answer up to this part from 0 to 2. Clear? So it's you use CD. Clear? PD is just for one calculation. Variable. Clear? Now, up to what value of x? 2. X will be 2. And 10. And what's the probability of success? 3 by 36. Clear? So answer is 0.9555. So just go to the main menu, like 1 minus answer. See, this is the answer. Just single. For single one observation. Yeah. Done. Okay, done. So next question number 9. Question number 9. So it is known that 80% of the customers at the DIY store own a discount card. Customers queuing at a checkout are asked if they own a discount card. So customers on the queue are asked that if they own a discount card or not. Find the probability that the first customer who owns a discount card. So what type of distribution it is? Geometry. Find the probability that the first customer who owns a discount card is the third customer asked. Clear? That means the math from geometry distribution. And the probability of success is what? Owning a discount card. Clear? So P is basically the probability of success owning a discount card. That is 0.80. Q 0.2. So the first customer So he was the third customer asked. Clear? Who owned the discount card? Clear? That means number 1, X will be equals to 3. That means on the first 2 customers, they didn't own a discount card. Third customer was like, he owned the discount card or something like, yeah. So that will be Q squared times P. So 0.2 squared times 0.8. What's the answer? 0.0. So 0.032. Number 2, it says not one of the first 4 customers. Not one of the first 4. That means he was greater than 4. That means it will be Q to the power 4. So Q is 0.2 whole to the power 4. This is 1 over 625. Clear? Now it's the math from given that. Okay. Given that 10% of the customers with discount cards forget to bring them to the store. Okay. Find the probability that the first customer who owns a discount card and remember to bring it to the store is the second customer asked. That means someone has a discount card and he remembered to bring the discount card into the shop. He was the second customer asked. Clear? So first customer is out of the box. Clear? So now there are so many informations. How to represent this information in a way so that you understand it better. If you have a lot of information in your S1 question paper, use tree diagram or Venn diagram. That will make the maths easier. So how many cases are there? Either he owns a discount card or not owning a discount card. Then if he owns a discount card, either he will remember to bring the discount card into the shop or he will forget. Clear? So let's draw a tree diagram first. So discount card or not discount. Then if he owns a discount card, either he will remember to bring or he will forget. Clear? So owning a discount card is 0.8, not owning a discount card is 0.2. Clear? Next is he remembered, okay, 10% of the customer with discount card forget to bring. So 10%, this is 10%, so it will be 0.9. Clear? So what's the probability of success here? He owns a discount card and remembered to bring. So this is the probability of success. Clear? And this is the math of geometry distribution. How did I understand? Because he was the second customer. Clear? So now, what the probability of success? Owning a discount card and remember to bring. Clear? So the probability of success P is 0.8 multiplied by 0.9. Owning a discount card and remember to bring. Clear? So this is the probability of success, 0.80 to 0.9. So that's equal to 0.72. So what will be the probability of failure? 0.28. Clear, Baba? So now the question says he was the second customer asked. It is the second customer asked. That means what? Probability of X will be equals to what? 2. That means Q times P. Q is 0.28. P is 0.72. So 0.2016. জি বলো No. First of all, you have to understand what is the probability of success here. The probability of success is he owns a discount card and remembered to bring. So this is our probability of success. This is not just 0.1 is not the probability of success. Clear? Owning a discount card and remember to bring. So this whole is a probability of success. Clear? Have you got that? Done. So you are mostly done with our binomial and geometry distribution. Now we are going to solve some maths from the question paper directly. So